Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to align, so how to correct the chronograph watch hands on your Festina Chronograph Watch. Today we have a very interesting model that features 3 sub-dials. So we have one for 1/20th of a second, then we have here the one for up to 60 minutes, and then here we have the sub-dial for the hours. The chronograph hand, so the seconds hand of the chronograph, is going to be the big hand of the watch. In our case, while the chronograph isn't working, this sub-dial is going to display the seconds. So this has a double function in our case. But as you can see, the seconds hand of the chronograph isn't perfectly positioned at 12 o'clock. So when I start the chronograph, you can see that it is going to start from here, and also the sub-dial for 1/20th of a second is going to start. If I pause and reset, you will be able to see that they did not reset at perfectly 12 o'clock. So if I pull the crown to the last position, I will be able to see where the seconds hand of the chronograph is positioned, and also the one for 1/20th of a second. You might have a different configuration when it comes to the sub-dials. Maybe this is a more complex chronograph, but nonetheless, what you need to do in order to correct the chronograph is to pull the crown to the last position where you can actually set the time. And here we are going to use the top and bottom pusher in order to align the chronograph. If I press the top pusher, you can see that it is going to move the seconds hand of the chronograph. If I press and hold, you should be able to speed scroll. In this case, also something really interesting is that the minute hand of the chronograph is also going to spin, and you can see that it is pointing at 1 minute. On this particular model, once I push the crown all the way back in, that is going to reset to perfectly 12. But you might have a different version, as I mentioned. Now, if I press the other pusher, you can see that this is going to correct the sub-dial right here for 1/20th of a second. So I'm going to make sure that it is perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. In this position, when I push the crown all the way back in, you will be able to see that the minute hand has also perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. Now this sub-dial has started to tick because it is the seconds hand of the watch, but if I pull the crown to the last position once again, it will show me the exact position of the chronograph, and you can see that both are now perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. So now if I push the crown all the way back in and start to use the chronograph, you will be able to see that this one started to spin as well as this one. So if I pause right now, I can actually read. So I have 5 seconds and 1/20th of a second. If I want to reset the chronograph, you will see that both watch hands now have perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. On this particular model, we need to push the button pusher once again in order for the seconds hand to start ticking. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to use all the functions and features of this particular model, how to read the chronograph, how to use the tachymeter, how to also correctly set the time and date, and how to replace the watch battery, adjust the bracelet, I'm going to leave links in the description box below to all of these tutorials. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this very interesting Festina Chronograph Watch. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to be subscribed, and I'm going to see you on the next one.